Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Bright app review to see what it's using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Bright app is designed to help users manage debt and build credit with tools like personalized pay-off plan, automated payment, and even credit building features such as reporting rent or offering a secure line. It's a solid option for anyone who wants to handle hand-off approach to improve the financial health while keeping everything in one place. That said, many users report issues with unexpected charges, no clear free trial times, difficulty canceling subscription. Some also complain about funds being moved automatically without clear consent, which can feel intrusive. The Bright app is worth using if you need a structured credit and a debit help, but you should read the fine print carefully before signing up. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.